Here's some food for thought now. Industry insiders say a number of promising biopharmaceutical companies are facing investment hurdles amid stringent criteria for market listing. Our Eun-jin explains.
This is a local bio company that's recently launched phase 2 of clinical trials for the latest CAR T-cell treatment for leukemia. They expected a safe listing on the KOSDAQ with their positive results from phase 1 trials, but faced difficulty. That's because in order to get listed, they needed to meet certain rating requirements from 2 technical evaluation institutions, but were only able to fulfill 1. Likewise, most of the bio companies that hoped to get listed on the KOSDAQ were not successful in the first half of this year. So far this year, a total of 15 companies with prominent technologies have been listed, of which only 4 are biopharmaceutical companies. This is in contrast to 2020, when the bio industry was thriving and accounted for 17 of 25 companies listed for prominent technologies. The Korea Exchange, responsible for overseeing listings, says that there have been no changes in technical requirements. But what has changed is qualitative screening that has been tightened to protect investors. This measure followed the highlighting of embezzlement cases involving bio companies, as well as low success rates for overseas clinical trials.
The chance of development for a new drug comes only when its validity is verified. That is a minimum requirement for bio companies to get listed on the capital market. Otherwise, the risks are too high to call it an opportunity for investors.
Companies in the bio industry aren't all against the tightened evaluations, saying that there's an overall positive effect of filtering out companies that don't meet basic standards. But they have also expressed concerns that setting the bar too high could cut off fundraising for some promising companies.
If the government starts to implement various institutional standards, that could cause other problems. We need a smart system that trusts market flow and an environment where the private sector takes the lead.
In order to show the validity of their new drugs, biopharmaceutical companies need to complete at least the second phase of clinical trials. Experts point out that getting to this stage takes a lot of time and money, and these companies need alternative support measures for funding aside from getting investment through a market listing. Eun-jin, Arirang News.